Hi guys, it's Fabiola here. You're asking, I'm providing. I will be hosting this month a 2-hour masterclass on the 24th of August, 11 a.m. UK time as always. It will be about how to craft the perfect CV for the UK market. If you're not a healthcare professional, you're more than welcome to join us, as I will be sharing enough tips there who match every field. If you're a healthcare professional, obviously, you're definitely welcome. This is made for you. If you're a healthcare assistant, support worker, you can join as well, as this is made for you too. We will be reviewing perfect email strategy. I will share a lot of goodies at the end. Have your pen and paper ready. For those who don't know me, I'm Fabiola. I'm a senior recruitment consultant specializing in healthcare in the UK for over 6 years. Kiden Consulting is a candidate-centric consultancy where I share tips and tricks of how to get a job in the UK and where you can hire my expertise to find a job here. I will leave you the link down below. Make sure you're registered. See you there. Tschüssis!